na okwanira mwanchu murigereria ndonsi asoberete na kwareganirie asemesa mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba kero chire chitariki 15 nemo omutinyu gatatu umwaka w'ekiri 2022 na kwareganirie atari make kuruga igase studio asenchera yobwenge gendera gotonyora gwetera sensemo ya mitandao Ndizi TV News asensemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube kwiranande asegeke kikeribosyo egeren kumanyenga naralia ya gose na kwareganirie Nchini gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nuria tawa konya na koma sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Ahuta omo konyi bo governor se county ya Kisii Josh Mangi ero litukulia lero niganyarira ko bagakoraria bene eganga yayo kuligie kirugo kyobo senator e county ya Kisii Mangi niganyarira ko bakakurwe nkwane yo Chinsa Chinkego chetire asenka yaye gotoka lyagongera egotoka se bunge ya Bomachoge chache county ya Kisii abwa sabara ibuna Ezekiel Machogu yoro mabunge bwe constituency ya Nyalibali Masaba amona mabunge Bomachoge chache Alpha Miruka banyara kwa bagwikirana ase umujego yo nigo chinga kichicho Mangi atebire buna nigo bagucha komosira Ezekiel Machogu asiganga yayo gucha kuriye kirugo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii gwetera se kyama kya UDA
saitu twasangerekanira iga elindo mubaroitu orokane elinda magendere krago cha sorogongo roitu eto kinya saitu ntuisaine biso maboritu
biamono mayogo saba tuvuga no monge to koira turabageni oyo mito mo deputy governor Josh Mangi no turi buoye oro ko igari konde liga murangerie ache atwarigani nanda atoigorero mukutano
abamenyi kurwa sensemo ya nchore gutuka imeya Bosamaro e county ne ya Nyamira mbarene kiba kwegokeria magega yo MCA obokorwa senseme yo kubaroseria macha maya yo kunywa muliketo Job Mangi no ara senseme yo agutwariganira roboti uruo ochikoronyora senchira yo boikirano gekuragense moya bono botuko kolende rorangana ria ya agendrate a senseme yo ya Bosamaro
Ngali tuko kugurwa manje abangina abange babe baguchandeka gasenchoro babe bagwetweke mitubaka yachire egetongo lero go babwato mogoko monene basangikana chinse monye chinse gocha korangange konege kyabire nchoro ekora matuka mange twabere tukulia manje lakini tukulia lero twaba tukoyanyora gotoko gete mono kuwa mono musimi gwitoke ganda abere gotorentera manje
amaja ya lemetwe okole mugwoka tabege tupampu tabege tu molero piping ngonyetara akorwa ebi byonsi byakorwa engaki nda borai tugakora piping tugabeka pump tugabeka omuliro nandi niri no mogoke mambie ye buna abantu baito benchoro bali bachandikire engaki entamba senjo ya mache banyorira mache oyino ro mogokona enyuma kando na mache emerobiri nemenge tobwate ngagite mosakuligererigo ensema moroche etaya ntugabekete solar light masense meye kiagero musunte no lenga chipara twatemire korosia na ena bona tetoro no kwegenda bune merobirio ya magendero asense moya ito ya nchoro ikiagere nchoro nero yo moerio ikenyorugeto kyo moerio ase wodi ya ito ya Bosamaro
abana siasa nigo bono bakureirwe kurinda chinkwana mona manganabo alibago kwana chinga kibago kora chi campaign nigo baigo baboliwe gukora siasa chomorembe elikwaneke buna mbali koreta chibura buru asense ya Kenya aya nkolengana no mo Bishop John Mangi korwa se kanisa ya ACK Kisii oyoboliri boiga basaye kwerenda gutumekwa amona bana siasa nigatebire chine chinga kiche keire abwa se kanisa gwanata waso yaime na gusabera omorembe ense ito ya Kenya.
Ndonda asaba bana siasa na abasaye baitu balinga tiabe bolinga turabeka linga nalibe ligoturubaniense ntochor ko babagambi to president sto governors ekara abantu baitanire bantu kiyo gitugambira bantu kiyo ratigara gukora ego nyumotara kwana lingana korali takuna orali rangera lingana lingu kwana impact kirira aleta so omonto ordinary citizen orali tagara na kiara interpret na outcome ya nga kiara.
Chinga kiechecho nigo Bishop John Omangi abolire abasaye gwesokia sobonge chinga kichechukura ama n'abakenya bonsi gwesokia litukelyo asogochora barayi bali barabaletera magenderero a senseito ya Kenya abwasate birebuna amatukari bosio nebwenerete abana inchi gosabarayi bali bamumanyete nyasaye koraense ya Kenya elekoene kebuno morembe butambe notigarite ko baroro nonyemagega yobochoryo bonene.
Chichi bosia ego chiro ko baganya abantu abaya babwate Christian values ba occupy offices igo nje kinda ate y'abantu baito bagusi yagerto chigwa kekura tiango tuligere linga abantu bali barengo ase chiobis nara liba akolire aramaya eragere togendere ko abeko obis bagendere anye toko nyoranga percentage yawe mbali na 50% tiwaisa niko ase borai kogendera patuoro kya ba kolire na totegerera abate manivesta abayiya bagosoa tororenga aiba ukwana nale tabauti nalia konyaro use narwa chikogendera bane barote tubaso siasa bagendererie ali amabe konya aro igoro ya umu akie kuro kawaida aire chingaki kyogo internalize alwa ukwana akole wise judgment nyimodera chiwake kuro
ne chikanisa nigo chiaboli wewe sokia na korario morembe gati ya bakristo amana abantu bonsi mense ya Kenya anene mono chinga kiechiga Kenya erocha sobo chorio bonene omwako yoiga omutinyi ogatano na gatatu chitariki kianda nigo baigo abarayi be chikanisa basemiwe korario morembe boikeranu abwase baboli gwetera igo nenchera ya moyo gotanga ogwatananekana gati ya bakenya.
Looking at what is happening in Kenya today, we want to pronounce and say that we as a church, as we live together, we will only be able to advise, we will only be able to give direction, we will only be able to give what it calls for, especially in a time of conviction like this one, when we have a divided or a polarized nation, people getting, aligned in different groups. And what will only help the nation, it is for the church to come up and preach peace. It is for the church to come up and stand together with the nation. We pray for our people who are there. We pray for the leadership. And we pray for anything that is coming up that is going possibly to divide our nation.
Amatuka wango iga twarorira bana siasa bagochorwa ko babarayi bemesimamo gete ya gesiasa abwaseri tukule igoro mokonyi bumarayi bwense William Ruto baigo achoretwe wecha kwirurukia ebandera yobomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance musangerekano okorekanete asensemo ya Kasarani Gymnasium mochio Nairobi nigo bono omowakili Clifford Mbeta akwereranga engencho yaye ngendukieke.
First of all, when somebody has already declared the presidential candidate, there is that autocoira that you are going to follow the rules. Party, you are not going to discriminate. You are not going to be you are going to follow rules of natural justice, gender rules, chons. Even to be a document area, we can sign that is going to go by those rules, so that tabaskoba montoko discriminate again tabasbati tabaskoba montoko discriminate abantu bareberebe maybe birema wazeba tariko nyara na bana, all those things must be there. Na also issues ya gender rules about maybe positions secretary divided amongst men and ladies, that one is na kikwara sign documentary, and also accepting that conditions from time to time chirichira be change by the party or by the council or by the delegates or by the people. We shall be able to follow them. That is what defines in that particular day. Every president is in power. First of all, as the president of the Republic of Kenya, a flag is naturally narrow. He must respect it because that's where the national anthem comes from. Secondly, na wate bone flag ya office. Iliyoko nyoraire wate logo area Apart from it, the colors of the Kenya flag, logo area, which you see in the middle. That is the flag the president is handed over pamoja na instrument.
Abana siasa amona barai korogusi anene mono balibara babwata nibo makonyi bo marai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo bono batianire gusebatiane tenga nigo bagucha komosira Ruto go ikengoli kolengana na barai yabo nigo batebire buna Ruto nigabwata maroro amone manifesto ya nige kubeka maiso marore buna nache gukorera bakenya magenderero anene mono asensemo y'uburimi ensemo y'abachenu amone chinsemo chinyinge abwase baburirie abagusi bonsi komwa Ruto ekura
ndenje buno mochumbe negasi elitwa kolire nere nabondete goteba nga ninde no kwegena ngase emerobeli yago chimotwe emerobeli okolende nse ya Kenya emerobeli okoligeria mangana yabasaye mangana ye chigasi mangana ye uchumi yeito ya Kenya naibu wa rais Dr. Samuel Ruto nere kiongozi obwate amarori amayale ayengencho mono araja gokonya sense yeito ya Kenya ase igosa abantu bana babuge tutu masaba sabantu bana ba Nyamira County na Gusiengima na Kenya ngima ndete ko batebinga moko kora machieso gose moko nyora mwasirira njira asoko mochora William Samuel Ruto buna the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya.
Mangana agriculture ayadu cyane tibuna obolimi bw'icyayi na obolimi bw'ikawa na bintu na mabene bintu bindi neyendo kenda menta ate abangiri ate abanga ngochigoshugulikira alimo nabantu bakoro kwa balimi mono n'abayuti baito na ote abanga abantu babwate chinibo chinene bali banalete koire bintu byenseye bono ebintu byenseye byo konyora n'abantu bonse kubwa mono ngote abanga ekambi nto kuchokora aso muchyo gusi njanya korokana kururi yakite Kenya
tubuna abachumbe kurwensemo ya gusi itogo support mu ske William Samuel Ruto tainga gose sauriare kienie kia gose sauria korwa Rift Valley gose sengenchabu atebesa gose ncherende twensi twarigereri chisera chia party ya UDA na yere red na muske William Ruto na ende twanjira ni bintu biriago totebye kiagera chisera chia yenchiri chigo chigokora umwana inju kawaida ulio chandigete emirimo
na batenene likorwa sekiombe yokolikie byama gose political party registrar of political party nigobono batebire buna coalition ibere nchigo cha gwancherwa korosio bamo asengenche yonkolengana gose yo nigerema mincha yeli chiko kolengana no mokonyi asekiombe kyo Ali Abdullahi oyugete bosibwe committee ebunge litukuligoro nigaerete maisomarore buna kolengana ne katiba ya Kenya byama bibere gose obwamo arakabere mbo gwanchero gochamo na korosia obwamo.
Not be a collision between two coalitions, so that we can have one coalition registering itself and another coalition registering itself, and then they combine to form a grand coalition. What we are observing around is that there are political discussions ongoing, there are negotiations ongoing, but at the end of the day, if any coalition is to be registered with the registrar of political parties, then it must be a coalition of political parties.
Nyagitari ya Kenyatta University Hospital chiko waterana ne University ya Manchester korwa sense ya UK nigobono banyore tobokonyi bwechi machine echigo chako bakonya korosia ebitanda ao amone chinsemo ao aso korwalia oborore bwa cancer yechingencho chonsi asenyagitari yo kolengana no president we University ya Manchester aselieta Professor Lord Graham nigaende gatyo kubwatira no ko wechinse gusugwense ya UK amune University ya Kenyatta abwasa tabirwe ikabaine kinya gitari ya nyari ko bage koera nabarwaire boborwaire bwa kansa bachakira konyoro bugwenya asebirengo bigwenerete chinga kichecho nigo mugavana Okisi James Ongwae baigo ae tokoboko engane yu abwasa kiranete asomasangirikano yo.
Together we're working on delivering the best cancer care in the world for all of the people of Kenya, a training, healthcare and education hub in Kisii County, and work towards the President's Big Four agenda of universal health coverage.
We have already allocated space for it to help in understanding the causes and types of cancer in Kenya and the region, to understand the spread of the different cancers in the country and also in the region, analysis through immunochemistry machines to determine the types of cancer and the best medicine for each type of cancer.
Importantly, we want to try to find out how we can now skew the prevalence of this cancer by interrogating people at an early stage.
As county governments, I'm going to ask that we call for a meeting which you will attend so that you talk to us and also tell us your referral expectations.
Chingaki uchumi yanyorirwo gwakwo konene magagaje binyinyi bya COVID-19 waswaime yense ya Kenya amone chinse chinde omwaka w'ekirwe 2020 nigo bone birengo bya uchumi byanyartko babikoira nanse asekerengo keigoro mono abo ase omoraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga atebiro buna nigo batakeire ase chingaki echiga kobokia na gukinia uchumi nigo boigo Odinga anyartko bakago sababu no bacholi buri bosio mbo baisa goswana na omokia bwokobokia uchumi anene mono ase sekta yobonchoreria abo asate birubuna nere bujabono Kenya kubwatira nechinse chisko ilokwana kyabuna uchumi yabokiwe na inde nigaya kwana ya chingaki aumerana no mo prime minister wensi ya UK oyubanyar ko babagusanga chinkwana asubotambe gati yaba mangana yoboteneneri amo no bonchoreria. Mwanchu muligereria gwikira bono nkubuturira mangana amaya asenjera yobwenge kurende tomo chana ende kuligereria Ndizi TV gekoragense moya bono botuko uchekonyora ayo amona yanda mange biamono wachora kuligereria ngwa kanga biamono ochiase producer ne Petronila Mukeira asokwene kya chibicha maliogi akwikira yo mwanchu muligereria asenjera ya bene biamono Joshua Auta oyonere twabwaterana asensemo yebimanyererio inche na koyaletera senchera yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura yubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi eliobwekere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchi ya Sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti